everyone, welcome to Tigner Adventures. We have left Arizona.
I like this.
She likes the shade. Look at her face. So we are now in New Mexico, and we're in Demming, New Mexico, and we're staying here at the Dreamcatcher RV Park. And it's an Escapees Rainbow Park. We actually had 2 nights free gift thing for our membership, so we're staying here for 2 nights for free. Not a lot here, it's just basically a parking spot, but hey, this is where we're going to go out and do a few different activities today, so we'll kind of see where we're going to go. So come along and let's see where we end up. There's a few different places that we can stop and visit, and some of them are quite a ways away, a lot farther away than we thought. So I don't know if we'll get to all of them or not today, but we're gonna go play around and just kind of see what the area has to offer. Oh, and then I forgot to mention here, yeah, Tansy's out for a walk today, so she's just kind of checking around. She likes to sniff everything. So one thing about this park is they have a few feral cats running around, but they're really taking care of their cats nice. That's one thing, because they have these little places for the cats to sit. And then over here on the other side, people have been putting out food and water for them to make sure that they are taken care of in the heat and in the summer here, and have something to eat. That's pretty nice of all these people. The wind's kind of blowy over here. I noticed yesterday the wind, we didn't do anything yesterday because the wind blew. It was like 35 to 45 mile an hour winds, and I didn't put the jacks down on the motorhome, so it just kind of kept rocking the motorhome back and forth, and so anyway, it was pretty windy. And there's signs up and down the freeway about blowing dust. So if you didn't know this is kind of interesting, but if it's blowing dust, it says you'll get complete zero visibility. And if that happens, you're supposed to pull over to the side of the road, pull off the road, turn your lights off, turn your vehicle off, and take your foot off the brake, so that basically if somebody happens to be driving along, they don't start following your brake lights and run into the back of you. So kind of interesting, but you know, it's kind of scary in a way because it's posted like every 2-3 miles. You know, they have all these signs up, so you kind of just wonder about this area stuff. So anyway, but we're having fun, so we'll just continue on. So let's go see what we can find today. Hi, hey, we are at the City of Rocks State Park in New Mexico. Yeah, well, no, the other City of Rocks we've been to, there's a state park, City of Rocks in Idaho also that we've been to. Yeah, on the border of Utah and Idaho. But this one is actually in New Mexico. And this little visitor center, there's not a lot here. It's just kind of just displays a little bit. And interesting enough, I mean, I have the description here of where we can go out to the rocks and everything, but it's all campsites. There's actually no place to park except at the visitor center, and there's 3 parking spots. So apparently they don't normally expect a lot of people just to drive out here just to walk around. So anyway, it's $5 to go out and just walk around the rocks, and they've got this little loop here that's just outside the visitor center that you do, and they call it the Planet Tour. And so supposedly like every 30 feet or 30 inches you walk is like 6 million miles in the solar system. So they have all these rocks that are the different planets. So we're going to go try that out and see what that all is. By the time we get to Pluto, we've traveled the whole solar system, she says. So that sounds kind of exciting, but I'll just show you a couple little pictures here around the visitor center. It's again, it's kind of small, but it's a cute little visitor center. And I'll tell you, the wind, I don't know how fast the wind's blowing outside, but it is really windy outside. So I'm not sure that I'll be able to even talk out there. It's so windy. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. I might have to do a lot of dub over. Okay, it's really windy. So in talking to the ranger, she said a couple days ago that the wind was up at 65 miles an hour. So this is actually pretty good right now. It's only like 25 or 30, somewhere in there. I don't know. It's pretty windy though. Definitely, we kind of decided that we were going to walk around, but then after all the wind, we've kind of decided that we'll just drive around because it's so windy.
Well, we might get out and walk around.
Well, we'll walk around too, but
we'll see where.
But at least we'll get, yeah, because they've got 7.5 miles of trails here, and we were actually going to get the bikes out and ride them, but then we decided that it's just, you know, a little windy for that. So anyway, but we started off, we did find that they do have some more parking back here in the back. It is a really cute little visitor center. We did watch the video on that they have, and it's well done, and it's pretty interesting. So but anyway, the whole idea here is that it's mainly camping most of the time. People come out here and camp. Again, the day use pass is $5, but for camping it's $10 for dry camping and $14 if you want an electric site. They only have a few electric sites, I think 10 electric sites. So all the sites are actually kind of, the electric sites are all off to one side, but the other dry camping sites are all intermingled within the rocks themselves. So anyway, we're going to go out and kind of look around that a little bit. Well, we decided to get out and wander through the rocks. Thought we knew where we were, but we didn't take any water with us, and then we got lost. So we kind of were looking around for some of the we're looking around for some of the planets. We found Uranus, but we never could find Pluto.
Yeah, we found Uranus.
So anyway, we found our way back to the car, so that's what's important. And we found our drink, so we're going to drink up, and then we'll figure out what we're going to do.
Let's go. We're done.
We're done. We're done. We're going to leave now. So anyway.
This was too windy.
It is pretty windy out there for sure. So I did want to mention that this is their prime time. We're here. This is April, and their prime time is right now, and they get a lot of people coming in. If you figure out that it's $10 a night, we are about 25 miles off the freeway. We're north of Demming, New Mexico. So a really nice little place. It'd be kind of fun to meander up there, especially if you have kids. It'd be a lot of fun for the kids. You might lose them.
You could lose them easy.
Yeah, lose them. So I guess it depends if you want to keep them or not. But anyway, 25 miles. So I figure that's probably going to be what, 5 gallons of gas, so it's going to cost like $15 or $20 to drive out here and maybe $20 to drive back. But the RV park, no, in our RV. But the RV park we're staying at right now charges $40 a night for just a parking spot. So I think for the $40 a night, it'd be much. Well, they have shower and stuff. They don't have that here, but it'd be a lot funner to come out here and spend the time. So if you're just driving through and
this better.
Yeah, come out here. The cat would really love this. She'd love the rocks.
She was too scared of all the other cats.
Yeah, too many other cats around where we're at right now. So. Anyway, I guess at this point we'll go ahead and close out this video. So thanks for watching. We're not sure. I mean, from here we're going to head up to White Sands, New Mexico. So that'll be a national park. We're going to head up there, but that'll be in a couple days. So anyway, go ahead and you know, if you can, subscribe. You know, like us, you know, tell your friends about us. We're trying to get our count go up, our subscriber count. So now we're begging. Anyway, so anyway, thanks for watching. I hope to see you on our next video or down the road. So take care.